Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a row safely and make sure it's truly gone, without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to the Airtable website. If you prefer the desktop app, the process is the same. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. It's important that you're logged into the correct workspace with the right permissions, because only collaborators with edit access can delete records. If you're unsure about your access, check with your workspace admin before proceeding. Once you're in, open the base that contains the information you want to clean up. Then navigate to the specific table where the record lives. Remember, a base is like a project, and a table is where the actual rows and columns sit. Make sure you're in the correct view and table so you don't remove the wrong item. If a view is filtered, some records may be hidden, so confirm you're looking at the full context you expect. Now, select the record you want to delete. In Airtable, a record is a single row. Click anywhere on that row to highlight it, and take a moment to double-check key fields, like a name, an ID, or a date, so you're certain it's the correct one. When in doubt, open the record to review the details before you proceed. Next, open the record menu. You can do this by right-clicking on the row, or by using the small menu control that appears for that row, depending on your view and layout. This brings up a list of actions for that specific record. Choose Delete Record from the menu. This is the command that removes the selected row from your table. Airtable includes this option in a dedicated menu to help prevent accidental clicks. If Airtable asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This extra prompt is there to ensure you don't remove data unintentionally. Keep in mind that deleting can affect linked records or roll-ups elsewhere in your base, so proceed only when you're sure. Finally, verify that the record has been removed from the table. The row should disappear immediately. If you were searching or filtering, clear those conditions briefly to confirm it's gone across your view. This quick check helps you ensure the right record was removed and that no duplicates remain. That's it. Go to Airtable, sign in, open your base and table, select the record, open the menu, delete, confirm, and then check it's gone. Work carefully, and you'll keep your data clean and accurate.